Okay, good afternoon. So I am an author and finisher. In fact, a motivational, spiritual, literary writer that turns Mike Adenuga to a great man today. Aliko Dangote. Ask them. They had a seminar the other day with the Southeast and Southwest governors, and all of them were talking of this my particular book. You see this one? After reading this one now, your life will change from zero to hero. On that one, just go and see it. $400 million will be falling into your account.
You write to Dangote
To become rich instantly.
a multiple award-winning writer
That is
like this.
Which one is
Young man, if I slap you, if I slap you, you will turn to emoji. Okay, get up from here now.
Calm down now.